Hey guys, Yusra here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film this Amla paste video for you guys. I have all the recipe and the measurements. I'm going to leave it down in the description box below. This Amla paste is the real thing. So let's get into the video. I have here some coconut oil and shea butter, and then I have some Cetyl alcohol and BTMS 25 in these dishes. What I'm going to do is put the BTMS, the Cetyl alcohol, coconut oil and the shea butter in the same heat resistant dish, and you know the drill. We're going to melt it over low heat. And here I have my glycerin with my HEC as my gelling agent. I'm going to mix it up with the glycerin to help it disperse well in water, and then I'm going to pour my glycerin and HEC mixture into my water. I have just plain distilled water here in the beaker. Then I mix it well, I stir it very well, and then I put it over heat together with my my oil phase. Then here I have my premium grade Amla powder. The Amla powder I'm going to use to make this Amla paste. Here I have the melted oil phase, and then I have the water phase or the gel phase. I'm going to mix the oil and the water phase, and then I will be using my handheld blender or my stick blender to whisk it very well. I'm going to make the water and the oil marry together, so I have this very slippery thick mixture, and then I start mixing in my Amla powder slowly and gradually. Please, I'll advise you to use a face mask or something to cover your nose when you're doing this, because the powder flies everywhere and you don't want to inhale it. Keep adding your Amla powder until you have what you need. So here I'm adding more of the powder, and I'm trying to use the handheld blender to mix it in well. As I said, be careful with this powder, it flies everywhere. So I'm going to do this for a few minutes, add more, and keep mixing until I reach a pasty consistency. That is the consistency you want. You want it to be a paste. You can make it runny if you want, but I prefer mine to be pasty. Now will be a good time for us to discuss the benefits of Amla powder and why I like making this paste. Amla powder has been used in ancient Ayurvedic medicine for years and years. It is rich in vitamin C, rich in proteins that strengthen the hair. It adds shine to hair. It makes your hair darker. A lot of people with early onset graying of hair use this Amla powder to get some darkness and luster into their hair. Amla is known for all that benefit. It will decrease shedding and decrease hair fall. I don't like using the powder per se because it leaves residue in my hair. So I like making this kind of a dip conditioner, or what we call an Amla paste. I'm going to give credit to Yaya DIY Creation because she was actually the first person to give me an idea of incorporating this into my dip conditioners and making a paste. I have another recipe of a detoxifying clay, and I think shikaikai on this channel. I'm going to put it down below for you to watch. So here I'm going to use a whisk to whisk it in. Look at it. It has more of a pasty consistency now. It's looking more like a paste, and I don't want the chunks and lumps of the powder, so I'm using a whisk to make it smoother. If you're going to incorporate this paste into your hair care routine, I have two ways I use it. I either use it as a pre-poo, so meaning a pre-shampoo before I shampoo my hair. I get a spray bottle, wet my hair, and then I put this in. I leave it to soak up, and then I wash it out. Then I use a shampoo, and then I use a conditioner later on. I don't deep condition. Another way is to use it as a deep conditioner. After consistent use, you will see a lot of results. And hey, don't forget to use preservative in everything you make in the kitchen, because you don't want your creations to grow mold and you have an infection in your follicle that will make your hair fall out. So try and use a broad spectrum preservative every time you use or you make something. And here I am jarring it up for keeping. Please try and wash and sterilize your jars. Make sure you are safe, because we don't want to be saving some buck only to go and give it out to the doctors. I'm a doctor, so I don't mean we take people's money, but you get what I mean. I mean, you don't put a hair follicle infection in your hair unintentionally only for you to go and spend all that money on antifungal and antibiotic. Look at that paste. Oh my god, I really enjoy using this. Please try this recipe and let me know how you like it. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box down below. I'll try and find the Yaya DIY Creation Amla paste for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.